Getting the WS-116439-4 error on your PS5? You're not alone, and you are in the right place. Let's get it fixed fast so you can get back to gaming. Hey everyone, welcome back to Silicophilic, your go-to source for tech tips and fixes. In this video, we will walk you through how to fix the PS5 error WS-116439-4 step by step. Let's dive right into the solutions. Method 1. Check PlayStation Network status. This error often shows up when PSN servers are having issues. To check the current server status, visit the PlayStation Network status page. Make sure all services are up and running. If there is scheduled maintenance or a temporary outage, you will need to wait until it's resolved. In the meantime, you can restart your router or modem and your PS5 console to see if that refreshes the connection. You can restart the router or modem and the PS5 and see if this could fix the issue. Method 2. Adjust DNS settings on your PS5. Switching to a public DNS like Google DNS can help with connectivity problems. So go to PS5 settings, then select network, then settings, then set up internet connection. Choose your Wi-Fi network, press options and select advanced settings. Set DNS settings to manual. Enter 8.8.8.8 for primary DNS and 8.8.4.4 for secondary DNS. Save and go back to network, then run a test internet connection. Method 3. Use a wired connection. If possible, switch to a wired Ethernet connection for more stable internet. Ethernet offers faster, most reliable speeds and is less affected by interference. Connect your PS5 directly to your router using an Ethernet cable and test the connection again. Method 4. Update your router firmware. Outdated firmware can cause compatibility issues. Contact your internet service provider or check if your router's admin panel to see if a firmware update is available. Update and restart both your router and PS5 after the update. Method 5. Forget and reconnect to the network. Refreshing the network connection may clear temporary issues. Here is what to do. Go to Settings, then select Network, then Settings, then set up Internet connection. Highlight your current network, then select Forget. Wait a few moments, reconnect to the network and enter your password again. Method 6. Optimize PS5 placement. Signal interference can impact your Wi-Fi performance, so place your PS5 closer to your router. Make sure there are minimal obstructions like walls or electronics between the devices. Avoid placing your PS5 inside cabinets or behind large objects. Method 7. Contact PlayStation support. If none of these methods work, the issue might be specific to your account or hardware. Visit the PlayStation support page for further help. Follow the troubleshooting steps provided by the expert team. And that's it. These are the most effective ways to fix the PS5 error WS-116439-4, unable to connect to the server. If one of these solutions worked for you, hit that like button and subscribe to Silicophilic for more PS5 fixes and tech tutorials. Let us know in the comments which method helped you. It might help others too. Thanks for watching and we will catch you in the next video.